Hey, welcome to Wildman Adventures. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the last two videos talking about the building of Hot Rod Harry. In this video we're going to go over some of the testing of Hot Rod Harry. It actually worked great right out of the box. Now the shocks I actually got off of Jamie Garner, who actually got them off from Jeff and Jocelyn Perrin. They were the ones that, they were the big bore 4-inch shocks that Steve Combs built for their Little Miss Dangerous truck, and so they got some external bypasses and everything. They're pretty trick shock, and I like running the single shocks just for the simplicity of them. There's only a couple other guys running single shocks. John Nowacki's got a set on his new truck that I think came from Frank Scattini out in California, and then I think Alan Pizzo's got another set from Steve Combs, but I don't think Steve's built more than 3 or 4 sets of them. So they're a little bit different than what a lot of guys are used to with the double shocks, but you just got to do a little valving change. Now the Perrins had them valved pretty good for on that Little Miss Dangerous truck, but with me laying them down a little bit the way I did and with the front engine, things were a little bit different, so we had to do a little bit of valving adjustments, but the truck worked great right out of the box. You know, the engine was a little bit tired because it was the old engine out of War Wagon, so I ran it for basically the first season, and then we had to put a transplant in and get that one back out to rebuild it. But it's got a turbo 400 transmission, and actually the transmission is one of them that was built 20 some years ago also when I was running War Wagons. So some of them parts have some history on them. The transfer case was a case that I had laying around for years. So it's kind of neat. Some of them old parts got put to good use, but the truck is very fun to drive. Everything's kind of tight and compact, and actually the steering and everything worked better. Vince Nowak helped with the hydraulic steering, and it actually worked better than probably any of the trucks I've ever had in the past. So the truck really feels good. It's fun to drive. It's a little difficult seeing out of with the big hood scoop and stuff, but you know, as many years as I've been driving, I don't have to really see a lot anyways. I mean, you kind of get used to that, kind of knowing where you need to be and when and where when you're going to hit the throttle, but it's a lot of fun to drive. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this video footage. Hey, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button. Give us your comments and your questions. You know, all that stuff helps with building this channel. And hey, if you get a chance, become a member of the Monster Truck Museum. It's only $50 a year. You get a newsletter every month, which has a lot of neat features on history of monster trucks and different neat stuff in here. There's stuff on models, there's stuff on RC trucks, a little bit of everything monster truck related. And if you've got some good content that you would like to have put in this, you know, contact us. But go to monstermuseum.org and you can join for $50. You get a commemorative pin and a newsletter every month. And you know, this year is a very different year for the museum. So we're really not going to be able to make any money this year except for our membership drive and then whatever people will donate. So if you've got the ability to donate to help us out, please do that if you enjoy this kind of stuff. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.